Genpact Cora Online Training. What is Genpact Cora and how does it transform digital operations? Genpact Cora is a digital business platform that integrates artificial intelligence, AI, automation, analytics, and cloud technologies to enhance business operations and digital transformation. It is designed to help enterprises improve efficiency, decision-making, and customer experience by leveraging data-driven insights and intelligent automation. How Genpact Cora transforms digital operations. AI-driven automation uses AI and machine learning to automate repetitive tasks, reducing human intervention and increasing process efficiency. Enhances operational agility by enabling end-to-end automation across business functions. Data-driven insights and analytics integrates advanced analytics and data management capabilities to deliver actionable insights. Helps organizations make informed decisions by analyzing structured and unstructured data. Cloud-native and scalable. Built on a cloud-native architecture, making it highly scalable and adaptable to business needs. Enables seamless integration with existing enterprise systems and third-party applications. Intelligent workflows and orchestration. Optimizes business processes by orchestrating workflows across departments and systems. Enhances collaboration between humans and AI-driven bots to streamline operations. Compliance and risk management. Ensures adherence to regulatory requirements through built-in governance and risk assessment features. Provides visibility into compliance metrics and automates risk mitigation strategies. Customer experience enhancement. Uses AI-driven chatbots, natural language processing, NLP, and predictive analytics to improve customer engagement. Personalizes customer interactions by analyzing behavior and preferences. Use cases of Genpact Cora. Finance and accounting automates invoice processing, reconciliations, and fraud detection. Supply chain management enhances demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and logistics automation. Healthcare and insurance streamlines claims processing, risk assessment, and regulatory compliance. Banking and financial services improves loan processing, fraud detection, and customer onboarding. Retail and consumer goods enhances inventory management, customer experience, and personalized marketing. How can you leverage Genpact Cora for intelligent process automation? Genpact Cora is a digital business platform that enables intelligent process automation, IPA, by combining AI, machine learning, analytics, and automation to optimize business operations. You can leverage Genpact Cora for IPA in the following ways. 1. Automating repetitive tasks. Use RPA, robotic process automation, in Cora to automate rule-based, repetitive processes such as invoice processing, data entry, and customer service workflows. Reduce manual effort, improve efficiency, and minimize errors. 2. AI and machine learning-driven insights. Cora AI helps in processing large volumes of unstructured data, identifying patterns, and making data-driven decisions. NLP, natural language processing, capabilities enable automation of tasks like sentiment analysis and text processing. 3. End-to-end process orchestration. Cora orchestration helps integrate multiple automation technologies to streamline workflows across departments. Enhances collaboration between human workers and digital workers, bots. 4. Predictive and prescriptive analytics. Cora Analytics uses AI-powered insights to predict bottlenecks and recommend optimizations in workflows. Helps in real-time decision-making and risk management. 5. Compliance and risk management. Cora Compliance ensures adherence to industry regulations by automatically monitoring transactions and flagging anomalies. Useful in industries like banking, healthcare, and finance. 6. Integration with enterprise systems. Cora connects with ERP, CRM, and other enterprise applications, example SAP, Salesforce, to ensure seamless automation. Reduces integration complexity and enables data-driven automation. 7. Enhanced customer experience. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants in Cora Conversational AI enhance customer support. Automates ticket resolution, reduces response times, and improves overall service quality. 8. Hyperautomation capabilities. Cora integrates AI, RPA, process mining, and analytics to automate complex, multi-step business processes. Enables scalability across various industries, including finance, insurance, and supply chain management. What are the key AI and machine learning capabilities in Genpact Cora? Genpact Cora is an AI-based platform designed to accelerate digital transformation by integrating advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, into business operations. Key AI and ML capabilities within Genpact Cora include 1. Cora Data Foundation. This low-code, ready-to-deploy solution enables organizations to source, curate, and enrich data from multiple systems. It processes data at various levels of granularity, ranging from raw to aggregated forms, making it suitable for AI and ML applications. The platform also features metadata management with machine learning capabilities to enhance data quality and includes self-healing features for issue remediation. Genpact.com. 2. Cora Finance Analytics. Tailored for finance professionals, this solution combines advanced analytics, data science, and industry expertise to improve decision-making. It offers predictive and prescriptive insights through scenario planning and advanced analytics, enabling finance teams to make informed decisions. The platform's persona-based approach ensures that users receive relevant insights tailored to their roles. Genpact.com. 3. Cora Airflow. This accounts receivable automation solution leverages AI to enhance cash flow and reduce operational costs. It automates end-to-end processes from order placement to payment receipt and cash application. Features include AI-enabled dynamic workflows, automated customer communications, and predictive analytics for improved collections and credit risk management. Genpact.com. 4. Natural Language Understanding (NLU) technology. Genpact has developed a patented NLU framework that enables AI applications to comprehend the meaning of natural language documents. This technology uses computational linguistics to retain context, providing traceability in AI decision-making and reducing the need for extensive training data. It's applied in various areas, including contract reconciliation, financial statement aggregation, and real-time content interpretation. appnews.com 5. Cora Command Center, a cloud-based product that centralizes the monitoring and governance of automation operations. It provides a unified view of robotic process automation, RPA, intelligent automation, and workflow orchestration across systems and functions. The platform utilizes machine learning-enabled exception and incident management to deliver predictive insights, enhancing the performance and scalability of digital workforces. Media.genpact.com How does Genpact Cora enable end-to-end workflow orchestration? Genpact Cora is an AI-powered digital business platform that enables end-to-end workflow orchestration by integrating automation, AI, and analytics to streamline business processes. Here's how it facilitates workflow orchestration. 1. Unified process automation. Uses AI, RPA, robotic process automation, and machine learning to automate repetitive tasks, reducing manual effort. Seamlessly integrates with enterprise systems, ERP, CRM, legacy systems, to create a unified automation layer. Tool Intelligent Decision-Making leverages AI-driven insights and predictive analytics to optimize workflow execution. Incorporates business rules and decision management engines to guide automated processes. 3. Integration across ecosystems. Connects disparate IT environments, cloud applications, and third-party systems via APIs. Provides low-code and no-code development capabilities for flexible workflow design. 4. Real-time monitoring and governance. Offers visibility into workflows with dashboards and analytics. Ensures compliance and risk management by tracking process execution and flagging anomalies. 5. Human-in-the-loop collaboration. Supports human-machine collaboration, allowing employees to intervene in critical decision-making points. Enhances case management by integrating human judgment where needed. 6. Scalability and adaptability. Can scale across functions such as finance, procurement, customer service, and supply chain. Adapts to evolving business needs through AI-driven self-learning mechanisms. What are the best practices for implementing Genpact Cora in enterprises? Implementing Genpact Cora, an AI-powered digital business platform, requires a structured approach to maximize efficiency, automation, and digital transformation. Here are the best practices for successful implementation in enterprises. 1. Define clear business objectives. Identify key challenges and areas where Genpact Cora can drive transformation. Align implementation with organizational goals such as process automation, customer experience enhancement, and compliance. 2. Conduct a process assessment and mapping. Analyze current business processes to determine automation feasibility. Use Cora process mining to gain insights into inefficiencies and bottlenecks. Identify high-impact workflows that can benefit from AI, RPA, and analytics. 3. Prioritize use cases for AI and automation. Start with high-value, low-complexity processes for quick wins. Implement Cora AI, Cora RPA, and Cora orchestration to automate repetitive tasks. expand to more complex workflows as adoption grows. 4. Ensure seamless integration with existing systems. Leverage Quora's open architecture to integrate with ERP, CRM, and legacy systems. Use API-driven connectivity to ensure real-time data flow and interoperability. Plan for scalability to accommodate future growth. 5. Strengthen data management and governance. Implement Quora Data Intelligence for better data quality and governance. Ensure compliance with industry regulations, GDPR, HIPAA, etc. Use AI-powered insights for data-driven decision-making. 6. Drive user adoption and change management. Conduct training programs to familiarize employees with Quora's features. Engage stakeholders early and address resistance to automation. Provide continuous support to ensure a smooth transition. 7. Monitor performance and optimize continuously. Use Quora Command Center for real-time monitoring and predictive analytics. Establish KPIs to track ROI, efficiency improvements, and cost savings. Continuously refine workflows to improve performance and automation impact. 8. Implement security and compliance measures. Leverage Quora's built-in security features to protect sensitive data. Monitor AI decision-making to ensure ethical and unbiased automation. Conduct regular security audits to mitigate risks. How can you optimize decision-making with Genpact Quora's advanced analytics? Optimizing decision-making with Genpact Quora's advanced analytics involves leveraging AI, automation, and data-driven insights to enhance business operations. Here's how you can maximize its capabilities. 1. Leverage AI-driven insights. Genpact Quora uses machine learning and predictive analytics to identify patterns in historical data, helping businesses forecast outcomes and make proactive decisions. 2. Automate routine decisions. By integrating RPA, robotic process automation, Genpact Quora can handle repetitive tasks, allowing human decision makers to focus on strategic planning. 3. Utilize prescriptive analytics. Genpact Quora suggests the best course of action using prescriptive analytics, which goes beyond predicting trends by recommending specific interventions. 4. Real-time decision support. The platform enables real-time data processing, ensuring that decisions are based on the most current and relevant information. 5. Enhance risk management. With advanced risk analytics, Quora helps organizations identify potential threats, compliance issues, and operational inefficiencies before they escalate. 6. Improve customer experience. By analyzing customer interactions and sentiment, Genpact Quora provides insights to tailor products, services, and engagement strategies for better customer satisfaction. 7. Optimize supply chain and operations. Genpact Quora's analytics streamlines supply chain management, ensuring better demand forecasting, inventory management, and logistics planning. 8. Integrate with existing systems. Quora can be seamlessly integrated with ERP, CRM, and other enterprise applications, providing a holistic view of business performance and improving cross-functional decision-making. Would you like to focus on a specific area, such as risk management, finance, or customer experience optimization? What are the security and compliance features of Genpact Cora? Genpact Cora offers a range of security and compliance features designed to protect data, ensure operational integrity, and facilitate effective governance. Key features include data security and compliance, data encryption and masking. Cora Data Foundation employs robust data encryption and decryption protocols, along with masking of personally identifiable information (PII), to safeguard sensitive data and maintain compliance with regulatory standards. Genpact.com Proactive Risk Management. The platform integrates machine learning capabilities for metadata management, enhancing data quality and providing self-healing features for issue remediation, thereby reducing operational risks. Genpact.com Automation Governance and Monitoring. Centralized oversight. Cora Command Center provides a unified view of robotic process automation, RPA, intelligent automation, and workflow orchestration across various systems and functions. This centralized monitoring enhances visibility into automation operations, ensuring alignment with compliance requirements. Media.genpact.com Continuous Performance Tracking. The Command Center offers 24/7 monitoring of bot operations, utilizing advanced analytics to deliver predictive insights and real-time alerts. This continuous oversight helps in maintaining compliance and operational efficiency. Media.genpact.com Access Control and User Permissions. Role-based security. Genpact Cora allows for the creation of security roles that define access levels for both workflow design and runtime environments. Permissions can be tailored per workflow space, ensuring that users have appropriate access based on their roles. Knowledge Center. Granular permission settings. Administrators can assign specific permissions such as view, edit, manage versions, and set runtime permissions, enabling precise control over who can access and modify workflows. Knowledge Center. Why choose ProExcellency for Genpact Cora online training? ProExcellency is a leading provider of virtual and corporate training, specializing in IT consulting and professional online education. They are committed to delivering quality services and have a team of subject matter experts and professionals to help candidates pursue their interests. Their offerings include advanced online training, flexible commercial models, competitive billing costs, and a focus on customer requirements. Additionally, ProExcellency provides staffing solutions and maintains long-term customer relationships. ProExcellency. While specific information about their Genpact Cora online training is not available in the provided sources, ProExcellency's overall commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction suggests that their training programs are designed to meet the needs of professionals seeking to enhance their skills in various fields. Thank you.